Guys, welcome back to Smart Tech Junction. Today in this video tutorial guys, I'm going to show you how to mirror your PC laptop screen to your iPhone Windows PC laptop screen. Okay, so in our previous video I have shown you how to mirror your iPhone screen to your Windows PC. So if you don't watch that video, you can get the video link in my I button. You can click on that link and watch the video how to mirror iPhone screen to Windows. In this video we will learn how to mirror PC screen to iPhone for free. Before we start, connect your both devices with the same Wi-Fi network. Okay, and then you need to install one application. Open the App Store on your iPhone. Simply search a power screen mirroring. Download and install this application. In your PC, you need to install the same application. Open any web browser. In the Google, you need to search a power mirror PC screen to phone. Open the official website and scroll down slightly. Here you can get the download button. Just click on it and download this lightweight software. This is free software guys. Okay, after download you need to install this application and then double click and open this application. Now on your phone you need to open the same application. In your phone, here you can get the option local cast. Just tap on it and it will take some time to detect your nearby device, and then here you can get your nearby device name. Just simply tap on it and here you can get some option. As you can see guys, mirror phone to PC, mirror PC to phone. You need to select this option and then it will quickly mirror your Windows PC screen to your iPhone. As you can see guys, not only mirror guys, you can easily able to control your PC screen from your iPhone screen. Okay, as you can see guys, I have opened this PC and I will open my some files. Let's open C drive. As you can see guys, everything was working very perfectly fine without any lag issue. Just simply remember one thing, you need to use the same Wi-Fi connection on your both devices. Whatever file, folder, application you want to open, you can easily able to open from your iPhone screen only. As you can see guys, now let's see. I will open some setting. Yeah guys, working very perfectly fine. So this is very nice and very useful application to control or mirror your PC screen from your iPhone. If you want to disconnect this, here you can get the power button. Just tap on it and then simply it will disconnect your screen mirroring feature, as you can see guys. Okay, so that's all today guys. Hope you enjoy this video. If you enjoy, please like, share and subscribe to Smart Tech Junction. See you in the next one.